Kaya daw, hugasin daw ng tabi. Okay lang.
Ano?
Hugasin mo nga ng tabi.
Iya.
Ano yung mainit nito na mainit ako.
Okay.
Thank you for the likes. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.
Video.
Hi. Thank you for watching. Hi everyone now. Hi Cheryl, looks like it's just you and me. Yeah, absolutely. Thank you for watching right now. Thank you so much. this Christmas, I gave you my heart for the very next day. How was your day? My day is a great day. Have a nice day. Good day. How about you, Ronel? How's your day? How's your day, Ronel? It's going well, thank you. Christmas, you can just you and I here. Oh my god. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. Well, I hope you rest well and getting. Well, I hope you rest well and greet the new days with a smile. Thank you. Same to you. Thank you so much. Hi, Joy. Heather. Hi. Oh my God, Jerry. Thank you for the likes. Thank you. Hit the likes. Thank you so much. Sometimes I can't. Thank you for 3 people.
Ah, okay.
Thank you for the like. Thank you for people. Thank you so much. Ano, Barbie Pinay Legend. Oh my god. What oh my god? This is not a home. Sorry, my home is not beautiful. It's a home. Province po, yes, province life. Who built the house? My brother who built the house. Hello, Halter Ponds. My brother built this. That is not a house, but it's like a room, just like a room. Little home. He needs to be punished. Yeah, need to be punished. If I save money, I need to punish the wall. Need to save.
No,
Ang ganda na.
thank you.
1,000 pesos Gcash po. Oh, thank you so much. My Gcash. Nasa bio pa po yung Gcash. Thank you so much. From someone. Thank you so much. Thank you. Not me. Okay. Not you. Thank you so much. Oh my God. Thank you so much for Barbie Pinay. Thank you so much. Pinay Legend. God bless you, Mark. Barbie Pinay Legend. Thanks a lot. Husband sleeping. I have not yet married. I have no husband. Sorry. Mm, my kid's dad is living in Manila. Hope he gives you money. Mm, need to support. Yeah, thank you so much. Barbie Pinay Legend. That is his job. That is his job, not mine. Thank you. Who who give? Who someone give? Can you say thank you from me? Can you say thank you to him from me? Thank you so much. Hi, Jerry. Noodle Sun. Hello, beautiful. Hi, Noodle Sun. Mini hearts. I can help today. It's okay. It's Christmas. Ah, okay. It's okay. I thank you in advance. I just subscribed. Thank you, Noodle Sun. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas. Yes, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, everyone. Aziodana. Hi, Aziodana. Hello, Aziodana. Napakaganda mo. Michael Brazer. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. Hula Amar from Nestor. Amar. Which we guess. Then, Protection. Near Reina Hermosa. Protection. Thank you. John Anderson. What are you doing for Christmas? Mm, maybe I'm going to church. The candle and then wait. William, hi William. William. Pwede ba kita maging kasintahan? Bakit? Oh, I need to stand up.
Agak na. Doon. Very good.
Thank you for sending the heart. Who's sending heart? Thank you so much. Thank you, 7 likes, 5 million. Nice to meet you here. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from, Michael? Casper. Casper. Hi, beautiful. Hi, Casper. Where are you from, guys? I'm from USA. Where are you in USA? Hello from Netherlands. Nice to meet you. Thank you so much for joining. Pennsylvania. That's wow. Pennsylvania. It sounds beautiful. Pennsylvania. United States. You will get the full load. Really? What load means? What kind of load? Why are you up to? Why are you up to? I don't know. What do you mean? You married or single? I'm not married.
Married.
But I'm not available. Oh my god. I hate wishing you a healthy birth. Huh? Wishing you a healthy. Oh my god. Can I change that? Like, change what? You know what, marriage is not so easy. You need to know the person, you need to know what the things that we match, like the words, the attitude. The important is the attitude, the respect each other, trust, the love. If even the love each other, if no trust, that doesn't work. Not if even you both and love each other, if no respect doesn't work, doesn't work. That's very important in a relationship. Respect, trust, and love. Gusto mo, gusto mo kitang pakasalan ako. What? I'm not gonna pull out. Pull out. What do you mean? Just being nasty. What? Yeah, yuck. Now I know what he's saying now. Oh my god. Ew. Are you like a pig? You're a pig. You're a trash. Garbage. What kind of attitude here? My God, you are crazy. You're out of your mind. You are crazy. Ew. Duh. Ew. You want. Ew. Ugh. You're a garbage boy. God damn it. Eh. Pwede ko bang may ko number mo? My number, you can send the Gcash there on my bio. See the bio. Really. And if you really love me, can you get to love me hard? Oh, you know what, guys? Even most of the men here, why you like that? So when you first time you saw the woman, you want to marry her, you want to love her, you want to get everything, but then after long, then he love you back, then he deeply loving into you, it suddenly changed. You so toxic. My God, what the ew. Be careful. Be careful. Take care of your women's heart and the feelings. Respect your woman. My goodness. My good life. Ricardo Burga side. Oh, thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. Gaba. Pag diri mo na ibutang mo dito sa may ano ay para diri iragaan. Dito sa may ano. Dito. 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 Oo. I message you, sir. You message me. You message me. Thank you for 10 people. Thanks a lot. I think Gabriel, paluwayan yung tikid si Tatay. Gab! Are you on Facebook? No. Fake news. Yeah. Yes. It's my father who's copying. You have a medicine. Oh my god, thank you, John Anderson. Oh my god, thank you so much. Merry Christmas. Oh my god. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you, John Anderson. Oh my god. Thank you, John Anderson. Oh my god. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much. It helps me, you know. When I can help but cry, and the wondering why you have to leave me. Tell me, where did I go wrong? What did I do to make you change your mind? And my thoughts just never away. But it does not still have. I let it go with you. Tell me, I can help but cry. Thank you so much. Oh my god. God bless you guys. And I wonder why you had to leave me. Tell me. Thanks a lot. Oh my god. Nasasanay na ako, nagsasawa na ako. Hi. And select Hi Cheryl, I'm back. Hi. Meron na hindi Papa. Ha? Hindi ko na Oh my god. Hello, hello, hi Robert Easier. Hello, sweetheart. What are you doing? I'm doing live. I'm blocking my father. He's coughing a lot. Everyone like and subscribe. Thank you, Antelex. Thanks so much. Thanks a lot. You look like tired Cheryl. Yeah.
Thank you, Antelex. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, 10 likes for people watching. Thank you, 10 people. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. Just you and I. Oh, shit. Oh my god. Stephen Clancy, can you shoot me? What? Huh? Obviously, you don't need to ask. You don't need to ask. Obviously. Thank you, Antelex. Outside. God. Alright. I'm outside the home. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. If anyone, please be polite with who you're speaking. And thank you, Antelex. Outside. Thank you, people. 15 people here. Look at the place. Hi, sister. Like, subscribe. Thank you for the subscribe. Thank you, Snoopy. I'm not sure is your connection lagging or is it my connection lagging? I don't know. Maybe it's yours or me. I don't know. Wait, Antalex. Thank you for. Aray, aday, aday. Maybe my connection. I don't know. Thank you, thank you. Are you outside or are in upstairs? I'm outside home. Outside the room. Outside and do you know how to rap? I don't know. I know, but how could I ever let you go? Where are you going? Mag-ibigdaan na. Hindi pa ako si Brad.
Idaan. Palimaga. Di rin mo ba't dada ini.
Ani ano, asawa niya, di?
Di. Magay.
Abay din yan? Is everything alright? You look like tired. Is everything alright? I'm not tired, just a little. Just a little tired. Is everything alright? Yeah, is everything alright? No worries. It's alright. No worries. Is everything alright? Thank you to those hit the like, sending hearts. Thank you to those who sending hearts. Thank you so much. Bakit di mo lang thank you so much. Mainit yun. Ha? Melbo. Kaso nga lang. Ako tilbag. Para kuya-kuya naman si Papa. Did you talk the donor? The donor done dinner. Finish the dinner. Thank you. Thank you so much. siya maski di hapon. Tapos naluluwa na niya. Tukal-tukal na lang.
Tukal mo yung niya. Sa natuloy.
Pag hindi lang na ano. Inaimod ko nga niya. Tawag na niya.
Ano?
Nakakanto na siya dito sa akin.
Ano.
Nakusog na. Ang dawag na niya dito ay
Tubig.
dire ay lisdaan. But he teach me curtains. Ano na?
Pwede rin manduro diretso.
Dire man. What language? Like good morning. Ano ito?
Una po, okay naglawi yung mga sarap kung ako mga jams.
Ano yan? Ano kaya?
Ha?
Ano naman si Tata? Chat ko na lang ito.
Kaya Christmas party ka na dito.
Ayan na naman. Tukal pa.
Sa Christmas party doon na kami. Era nunoy.
Kaya ito nag-aga-jams lang. Sino man ako tumigit ko?
Si Ranto. Ang kalungan bagay ito niyan to. Si Nunoy.
Tapos sa mga bantay dito.
Si Marijo.
Ah, sino kaya? Mo doon kumain. Ano yung kumain?
Step man na lang
May
ako.
tatay ka naman. Ano si Igro, pukawang... Pero okay man siya. Paging kakaw-kaw, ano man yan, ano man yan, sabi ko niya. Sabihan mo na lang. Ako na lang.
Ayun na na.
May masunod na ako. Aray ko. Speak it slowly so I can get it. Like, good morning, magandang umaga, something like that. Good evening, magandang gabi. Sabi ko, sige, ikat ko na lang ito. Ikat ko na lang. Ano sa ano? Sa pagigdain. Just teaching how to live. When my emotions. Who is that kid shouting? Is there a war going on? No. The kid shouting, playing outside. The kids. They're playing outside. They're shouting. Ouch. Michael. Michael. Brazier. Hey, Michael. Hey, everyone. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. And Alex. Thank you so much. Who's that kid shy? I'm Michael. Thank you so much. Hit the likes. Thank you for to those hit the like. Thank you so much. My God. Do you play any mobile game? No. I know. I'm so busy, no time to play. No time to play. If I have a free time, I sleep. I'm sorry. But yeah. Thank you, 15 people. Thank you so much. I'm sorry. Gab, tama na yan. Ay, mas wag dito kuya Gab, kaya nahiga ako.
Turog na ako.
Maturog ka na. Mas wag dito kuya, kaya nahiga naman ako. Ay, salamat. Tambay talaga ni kuya Gab. You are beautiful. Brandon Magilo Shete. Hey, Brandon Magilo Shete. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. And you? Fly Aubrey. You're very pretty. Thank you, Fly Aubrey. Thank you so much. Thank you po. Thank you so much. Thank you to those hit the like. Thanks so much. How old? I'm 40 years old. 40. 40. Sponge. Brandon, I'm 45. You look 24 off. Thank you. Thank you for the likes. 17 likes now. Thanks so much. Thank you. Wow. Oh my god, you have kids. I'm not married. I have one kid. Thank you so much for watching. I don't have a time to entertain toxic people here, so sorry guys. I don't need to explain well. Please be nice. Thank you so much. 17 likes. Thank you guys. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much. You look beautiful and your hair is pretty. Yeah, thanks, Brandon. What do you do for fun? Do for fun. For me, fun. I don't know. Fun? Electric fan. Gas. Other gas. Thank you, 19 likes. Thank you, 8 people. Going out with the girls or partying. I'm going with nature. I'm a nature lover. So, me. It's for fun for me. I walk with nature, with family, playing with my niece, my nephew, the kids, my sister. You are what? I'm a nature lover. Like going to the beach. Would you rather go beach or mountain? Both. Both. Beach and mountain. Family girl, yeah. I love my family. Priority is my family. Pick your fab. My fab. My friend. You are so beautiful. Thank you, my friend. Pick your fab. What do you mean the fab? Family is very important, yeah. Favorite. My favorite. My favorite like color, food. What do you mean the favorite? Favorite actress? Favorite color? You are not 40, you're like 20. I'm 40 years old. Thank you for the like beach or mountain. Both. I like beach and I love mountains. Both. I don't want to choose because I love them both. What's your favorite flower? My favorite flower, tulips. Are you married? No, sorry, I'm not married. Look, no rings, no wedding ring. I'm not married. No one can marry me. I'm a loser. My God. You have very pretty smile. Also, thanks, Michael. Why can't you marry? No one can marry me. I have. You are so beautiful when smiling. Oh my God. Just when smiling, I look like beautiful. Joke. That's a joke. Thank you, 15 people here now. Why can't you marry? No one can marry me. Thank you, 20 people. If someone who marry me accept who I am, something, oh my god, it's really, uh, at my age and the nowadays, it's really difficult to trust someone. Marry is not for everyone. No. Marry is not for everyone. I think uh, the love is. I can't explain. No, you are not a loser. You deserve more. Cause you're already married but separated right now. I'm not. I've never been married. I've never been married. Yep, never. Mm. Okay, marry me. Why? Oh my god. Thank you for the likes, 21. Thank you for 21 likes. I'm almost done. I'd love to wake up next to you for the rest of my life. Oh my god. You know what? The first impression is something like that. Before I'm someone say me, tell me, I give you everything. I I love you forever. Oh my god. But time passed, something changed. Oh my god, that's not a love. I love to wake up. Oh my god, let's make it happen. No, sobra sobra. Never happen. Never happen. Man is always change. I all are falling in love with you. I guess I don't know, my friend. Why won't you let it happen? I don't believe that. Ako'y totoo. I don't know. I don't believe. Before someone say that the truth is, but I think it's a fake. You know, that's not true. Hi, Joey. Aray ko. Hey, Joey. Thank you for joining here again. Maybe you and I. Thank you so much. Dahil minahal mo ako. Hi, good evening, Mickey Manson. Welcome back. No more drama na. Oh my god. Thank you, Sir Mickey Manson. How are you, Sir Mickey? Ibigay para sa'yo, huhulihin ko ang buwan. Pipiliin na. Oh my God. Thank you, Sir Mickey Mason. Thank you so much. My God. Thanks a lot. God bless you, Sir Mickey. Oh my God. Thanks a lot. Thank you po. God bless. Emila, what it na? Mason Sayedi. Thank you so much for making my son. God bless you po. Advance Merry Christmas. Advance Merry Christmas, everyone. Ng aking minahal kung sino-sino. Thank you, 15 people. Thank you for hit the likes. God bless you, Sir Mickey Mason. My generous friend here. 3 more days. Yeah, 3 more days. Christmas. Oh my gosh. Happy New Year. Blessed, Happy New Year. Blessed Merry Christmas. Excited for New Year. Blessed Merry Christmas, everyone. Maaf Syaor, Indonesia. Hi, Mas Soyari from Indonesia. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Thank you, 9 people. Oh my God, 22 likes. God bless you po. Thank you, someone sending heart. My heart. Something like what? Nakatinono. Sa'yo minahal ko, lahat ay gagawin para sa'yo. Uulihin ko man, pipigilin na naman dahil minahal ko. Tell me what you got, tell me what you can, tell me what you can. Thank you, 13 people. Thanks a lot. Thank you for watching. Ouch. Thank you, someone sending hearts. Thank you for the hearts. Thanks a lot. So pretty. Thank you, 23 likes. Thank you, pa. Thank you for the likes. Damn. 10 people watching. Orange. Ojims. What's up? Oh, 19 people. Thank you for the likes. Thank you so much, guys. Oh my god. Dahil minahal mo ako. Oh my god, 29 people here now. Thank you so much. Live Brazil. From Brazil. Crot Barense. Where are you from? 25 people. Hi. At 25 likes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. My god. Thank you, 30 million here now. My god. You look so attractive. Really? I think here I'm nothing. I'm not beautiful here. But thank you so much. Thank you, 26 likes. My god, so beautiful. Thank you so much for the support, you know. Lover Brazil. Thank you so much. Dahil minahal mo ako, lahat ay gagawin para sa... If I was there, I will really marry you. So easy to see that, I think, but not. There are many people, a few people, rare people pursue that, that kind of serious decision in life. So my God, so not, it's not easy, you know. It's a very big responsibility. Not, not, it's not so easy. That's why when someone marry me, that's why, are you really? I always, many times I ask him, but I think I ask a lot. Are you serious? Are you something like that? I need to know me more. Need to know each other. So, but I think a few people, few men, rare men, uh, something. Oh my God, and women decided to do that. My gosh, thank you, 26 likes, so much. Thanks so much. Thanks a lot, 11 million here now. You'll mean and help me girl. I think I believe I say who believe in going Pipi no. Thank you, nine people here. 26 people. Give the likes. Hit the likes. Thank you so much. Oh my god, wait. Ay, sakit. Ang sakit ng paa ko. Ang hirap di makasaya. Hirap. Thank you. So cold, a little bit cold. Mm. Hi, beautiful. Hi, beautiful. Arc Logistics. Hello. Thank you. Thank you to those hit the likes. Thank you so much. 29 people. That's Gerard. Thank you so much. Why you say that, Rod? So cheap, huh? That's so cheap. That's so easy. Thank you so much. Thank you to those hit the likes. Thank you for the likes. Rod. Rod 10. Thank you for the likes, you know. Kabog-tang ba? Nanganay ka po. Ako to. Gulo ko. Thank you for the like. Kumusta ka? Guy Hockey. Okay lang. Okay, man. Richard Morello himself. Huh? Gad. What? Perfect. Perfect, my God. Oh my God. 17 people. Hi. Listen, lupa kita hanggang sa huli. Hi, Kizzy Who. Sigma Man. Sigma Man. Thank you for hit the likes. Thank you, hit the likes, please. Hit the likes. I am Pakistan Patan boy. Okay. Pakistan boy. Jago. Daniel. Holland. Hi, Jago. Vander Pereira. Hi, Vander. Hola desde Argentina. Hola. Super sexy. Really? Oh my god. Keywords the I what means. What it means. Come Turkey. You think so easy? My god. Rami. Oh my god. Isa pa to eh. No, 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 no. Luvas Cardici para Chosor para Brazil. Para. This is para. You are so beautiful. Richard Morales. Guillermo Marcelo. Turkey, thank you. 21 people. Thank you to those hit the like. Thank you so much. Then para Brazil, thanks a lot. From Brazil. Thank you so much, everyone here. 14 people. Hi. Hit the likes, guys. Thank you so much. Hit the like or send again. Zenyo. Thank you so much. 19 people here. Thanks a lot. 30 people. Like, thank you so Thank you so much, 15. Can you hit the like comment? call me. Hi, David Towen. David Towen. Hello. 21 people. Inaanto ka na yata. No, hindi pa. Laban lang. Ipinakita ang kanyang magandang ano ba yan? You're so cute. I don't have to entertain toxic people, you know. Sorry. Torhan, Rami Torhan. Thank you for the likes. Thank you po. Sorry ka. Oh my God. Twenty-four people. Thanks so much. Michael. Hello there, what are you doing? I'm doing live. Thank you. Thank you for the likes, guys. Thank you. I think, oh my God. Parang ang hirap matulog ngayon kasi may nanonood. Part antok na eh. Sayang ng ano. Nag-aabol eh. Nag-aabol tayo na ano. May goal tayo na eh. Kailangan ano. Kaya laban lang muna tayo. Laban. Kailangan work hard, peace out. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. I'm from Philippines. Thank you, 26 people watching. 35 likes. Thanks a lot. Thank you for the heart. Thank you 42 people. Thanks a lot. My God. Parang maganda yung ano natin. Oh my God, yung matulog ka na tapos dahil dumating. Ito yung sinasabi ko. Challenge talaga eh. Zealand Hyatt, I bet old are not you, but you look I'm 40 years old. But thank you so much. Nice. My God.
I don't need to go to another room. Okay. Hello, Don. Oh my God. Good evening. Good evening, Don. I was saying okay outside. My father. Yes, doesn't say yes, it means no. There's the people. Thank you so much.
Ayan, rough part of the Philippines. Beautiful part of the Philippines. I'm outside. I'm a beautiful part in the Philippines. Beautiful part in the Philippines. Do you have a no? I don't have an husband. Oh my god! Always asking that. Oh my god, it's beautiful. I'm the beautiful part here in the Philippines. My province is beautiful. I'm proud to say that. Not not rough part. Beton bro. Hi. Progress Tuto. Hello. When a woman with her head and doesn't say yes, it means no. You know no woman. Maybe you have a lot of woman, you know. A lot scared. Yes, because my father felt pain or having a pain. That's why I heard it's I feel about my father. Everything okay, that's beautiful sheriff. Thanks you so much. 36 likes. Thank you so much for the 36 likes. Oh, your father is sick, yeah. Father is sick. I'm looking for my father. He have another room. That's why. I'm outside. I'm alone outside here now. Hi, maganda. From short mind. I'm so sorry that's awful. It's okay, it's fine. That's why I'm always looking for another place because my father is another room. That's why. That's why I can't sleep well. Can't sleep well. Yup, yup. Hello, short mind. Hello. Oh my god. You should find your next place in the US. Hmm? Where where are you where do you where are you from? Are you living in the US? Zaylan, Hayat. Hayat. God. North Carolina. Ah, okay. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Hi, John. Oh my God, I'm still awake, John. Can't sleep. Thank you, John. What do you do for work? I work as a volunteer. Many things to do here. Many works, but not getting paid. Not good. Not paid good. Working. Thank you so much, Jan, for joining. Falling sleepy. Yeah, and tired. I'm looking for more just to get recharge morale. 22 people, thank you so much. I make 16.5 US dollars an hour cooking favors and get 40 hours a week. Then 40 hours a week. So are you a chef there in US? 40 hours a week. What I make 16.76 US dollars an hour cooking. Come to US more better jobs. Yes, okay, you're very chefs. Brian, hi Brian. Thank you also thank you for the like. Wait, I'm visiting again to my phone. Wait. Oh my god. Wait. I was wondering why you're still awake. Yeah, because my father, I'm looking for my father. Can't sleep well. Can't sleep because my father, I see her uh, screaming when he felt pain. Oh, it's really, it's really, I don't want to see my father's like that. Oh my god. It makes me feel I wouldn't go to US until we get rid of Trump. John, what job, what work, what good work uh, there in Australia? I'm planning to go abroad, work abroad. I just bought my first home as a chef for 160,000 US dollars and I'm 26 years old. Come here, get good job, make lots of money, honey. Anong balita? Short mind. Wala naman. But I think I want to planning on working abroad to save more money. Walang balita. Wait, let's see. Look at that. You mean job for you? Yeah, job for me. Look at that. My birthday is February 2nd, so my February is coming soon. Advance, no, not belated. Advance happy birthday. Where are you thinking for getting a job abroad? Like what country? I don't know. Maybe it anywhere. Like what is it for the job? What job? Anywhere, just need a job. Okay, in advance, happy birthday. Thank you. So, advance gift for me. Good. Thank you, 20 people. What would you like to have birthday gift? Maybe I need cash because I will buy my father's medicine for treatment. I'm not a materialistic woman. Apply for a work visa and gain citizenship in US. All newborn children get automatic $5,000. Huh? Wow. Every year as long as you file your taxes and pay your taxes. In Australia, you could do lots of things. I think much better. But I think, yeah. Can you hire me? Can you find me a job? Can you find a job? Okay, share your WhatsApp. WhatsApp. Where are you from, short mind? I have no WhatsApp. But I have Gcash on my bio. Yes, I can find you a job. You seem like you are good with talking to people. What job you offer to me? Oh my God. I felt scared ano, I felt scared about you, Taylor. Oh my God. A little bit scared for you. Yeah. Oh my God. Dylan, I think most of US will be absorbed by Trump is true. Is there. What the fuck? Why? Oh my God. Sorry, Dylan. I'm not easy to trust. Oh my God. That the problem for me is to trust to people. Oh my God. Oh my God. The big problem. Oh my. Jan, what job good for me there in Australia? I'm a Boy Scout. I Scout is trustworthy. FB. Where are you from, short mind? face back. If you're asking why the land, you're too far gone. Jan, what good work for me there. In Australia, your country, I mean. Too far gone. To Dubai. Oh my god. I am in Dubai. Ah, okay. Dubai, he got dollar. What would you like to do? Anything. Like, I can cook, I can clean, but I need to learn. What? I don't know. I need to. Like, housekeeping, cleaner, caregiver, nanny. Here where I live, there are a lot of work as a caregiver. Donny Halcom. Really? I need to go inside. Oh my god, can you take a USA? Ah, okay. Thank you for the likes. Oh, hit the likes, please. I think you are a good for office work, like document controller or secretary. Yes. Yes. Can you? Or maybe I don't know. Wow. Similar correct. You would be a good server waitress. Yeah. Waitress, server in US. I think there are no tax on tips, and servers make $300 a day. Wow, a day at the right restaurant. Yeah. Remember. Wow, it's great. So Dylan, you're a Trump believer. What is your education? I'm just college level, undergraduate college, unfinished college. Oh my god. Thank you so much. Oh my god, this is the longest live email. Almost 3 hours. Check notification. Huh? Check notification. Why? Mm, I'm not a believer, but I do think he's doing things better. The US and the US citizen. There are more opportunities in the US than everywhere in the world. More money to be made the right way. I subscribe. Thank you. Subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Short mind. Bye. Bye, Donnie Calcom. Thank you for joining, Donnie. My pleasure. Thank you so much. I will watch you later. Thank you. Thank you, Donnie. Oh my god, Donnie. You're playing. Doo-doo-doo. Yeah, I have FB. Yes, I have. Mm, 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 mm. Claudio Piscinotti. Well, I think you're dreaming me. Ah, mm, mm, mm. We will talk Why? Why secretly? I don't like. Oh my god. Oh, you like me. How old are you? Maybe I think you're married. I don't know my mistake is. Are you? No, I'm not. Thank you for the likes. Not dreaming, mate. I'm living in the real world. People like you just look for the worst and everything, huh? Really? Yeah. Hello. Hello. Oo nga, sa next time na lang. Oo. Not dreaming, mate. Um, Maganda po. Maganda ba? 22 people. Thank you for so much, 22 people. Mano pa. Hit the likes, please, guys. Can you hit the likes? Well, that's because he hits you in the face with shit every day. Oh, do you have any children? I have one kid. I have one kid. Thank you for the likes. I have one kid. How about you? Like number 37. Thank you, Donnie. Single mom. Sing a short smile. Daniel. Hi, Daniel. Thank you for the hit the likes. Thank you so much. Hello, sweet. Huh? Why is it that? Hey, Robert Taser. Maybe you need to hit the likes. I'm off to bed, Cheryl. It's oh my god, sorry, John. I need to sleep and Sudo, you there? Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Robert, okay. I'm going in the live soon. So you need to sleep, John. Sleep well. Thank you so much. God bless. Bye bye. Just can't sleep because I need to do live. I can't sleep. Oh my god. Rene. Huh? I need to end the live. Thank you so much for watching. I need to rest now. Oh my god. Have a good night. Sleep well. Thank you for making my son. I need to sleep now. Thank you so much. God bless. Bye. Thank you so much, my friend here on YouTube. Thank you. God bless you guys. Love you all. Bye bye.